Carol here. I just wanted to show you another quick video on how to make some little cute embellishments that I think would look nice. You can tuck them in some of your flower projects. They're really simple. You need some white florist tape, some kind of pretty little flower pearl accents. I actually got these at Hobby Lobby in their bridal department. Some green florist's wire and some tulle. I like to use the black with the white pearls, and then you're going to need a wire cutter and just a little dab of glue to finish it off. I had already made the video where I demonstrate how to make it, and I realized as I looked at it that you didn't see me cut the pieces of tulle. So I sort of had my hands out of camera range, so yes, I'm very amateur movie maker here, but I fold these into thirds and cut about a 1/2 inch piece and use 3 pieces, and I was trying to tug the tulle a little bit to stretch it out slightly and then put them together to make the little embellishments. So here you go. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
So at this part, you want to select one of those pearl embellishments that you like, and you're going to cut 3 1/2 inch strips from your black tulle. Pull them and tug them a little bit, stretch them out, and then you're going to take these and fold them in half and bunch them together. So you've got 3 bunched together. There you go. You can see I got 3. Take your pearl embellishment and start wrapping your white flower tape around it until you get to a point where you're going to cut off the wire. There you go, and then wrap it all the way around, cover up the end, use a little dab of glue, glue it shut, and there you go. You've got your nice little embellishment.